They didn't pay me rent assistance back then. They were all guilty of slandering me and exploitation, or being aware of my exploitation, because they were treating me the same as everybody else. So they're guilty of bullying me, obviously slandering my name, defamation of my character, treating me with impunity, assassination of my character, and oppressing me. This is Centrelink, another government place. I almost forgot there's one important one, yeah? Well, they're all important. The Perth Family Law Court are guilty of slandering my name, bullying me, defamation of my character, treating me with impunity, assassination of my character, and oppressing me. This is the family court, Perth Family Court. I want to know why they treat me the way they do. I want to know why they bully me. Because I'm pretty sure that's where a lot of the answers will lie. Because this is a court, you know, sworn to uphold the law. So why do they bully me? How have I been exploited? And they are aware of something. They are aware of my exploitation. What exploitation? Why do they treat me like this, with impunity? That's what I want to know. Because it's been 2 years now and I still haven't seen my daughter, and I've been in court to see my daughter. Family consultant Jenny Bergman, 30th of the 6th, 2017. A family consultant Kevin Hanavan, he was looking at me and basically staring me down, treating me with impunity and lying to me. Yeah, Kevin Hanavan, he was a family consultant. He was supposed to meet with Aaliyah. I waited 4 months for this, for him to meet with Aaliyah, which is my daughter, on the 24th of January this year. And I had waited all that time because he was going to talk to my daughter and we were going to work something out. And when Murphy went to court with my daughter, she said she didn't want Aaliyah to speak with the consultant because she raised significant concern for the well-being of the child. Now that's a load of rubbish, because all of that would have been sorted out. Because when this happened, I had been to court for just over a year about my daughter, for my daughter. And a year and a bit later, she didn't talk. They said that Murphy didn't want her to talk to the consultant because she was concerned for the well-being of Aaliyah. That's a lie. There's no problem with the well-being of Aaliyah or me in their lives. You know what I mean? And how can she raise the concern for the well-being of the child there at the family consultant meeting? You can't do that. I mean, any concerns would have been raised before, and there wouldn't have been a consultant meeting. That would have been bypassed. So it's all a lie and bullying me. Because by that time, I had done urinalysis, drug testing, to show that they can trust me. I done it out of my own accord. And there was no reason why I should have done urinalysis, drug testing. I just done it so I could have a better chance of seeing my daughter. And now I still haven't seen my daughter. And we had organized, well, we were organizing supervised visits and everything. These consultants bullied me. Jenny Bergman, Kevin Hanavan. And the last independent children's lawyer was Helene Reader. By that time I said, no, I don't want you, because she was bullying me as well. They're all guilty of bullying me, oppressing me, defamation of my character, treating me with impunity, and assassination of my character. All of them from that family law court. Even the duty lawyer who pretended she was a duty lawyer once for me, And I caught her out because I was more intelligent than her. Then she told me that she's only a temp that works here. The duty lawyer is not in. This was through the family law court bullying me. The judge, I went to the court the other day to make sure that I've got the right judge. Judge CALVERELY. Mark Calverely, I think it is. Magistrate Calverely. He was bullying me. Obviously because my name's been slandered and I've been exploited, and he's obviously aware of some kind of exploitation. Defamation of my character, treating me with impunity, assassination of my character, and oppressing me in the way of being a father to my daughter and just as a person. And as a member of the public coming into the law courts for his judgment based on upholding the law. He was bullying me, Judge Calverely. He gave me the finger like this, and he was staring at, he was trying to do something with his eyes looking at me. Because they trying to make me blind basically, and they've been fucking up my vision. My vision's pretty fucked. So he was basically bullying me about my eyes because he knows what goes on. He knows what goes on with the system bullying me. Yeah, my TV, my lights in my house and Homes West, it's all government. So that's an important one that I wanted to get across as well. So I had to make sure, I went to the courts yesterday, and I made sure that it's the right magistrate, Magistrate Calverely. So that's the Perth family law courts and the judges. And the family consultants are guilty of bullying me. And the rest of it that I explained. And I want to know why they bully me like that. I want to know why they bully me like that and treat me with impunity. Because it's not fair to me. I still haven't seen my daughter. It's been 2 years. I've got a whole case file there. It meant absolutely nothing. I couldn't get a lawyer. So the next video I'm gonna do is my friends and my family that were treating me with impunity and bullying me. So I've got all of my work companies and the courts and other companies out of the way that have been bullying me and slandering me, oppressing me, assassinating my character, and defamation of my character. So next I'm going to come up with family and friends that have done it.